What's up guys, Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and we are back with the Bronco and a fun little mod you can do at home in just a couple minutes with basic hand tools you probably already have laying around. So as most people know, the Bronco comes equipped with a EcoBoost engine. This one specifically is our 2.3 liter EcoBoost Bronco. So this particular mod is going to be pertaining to this engine configuration. So basically what we're doing today is we are going to be using this automotive grade rubber cap and a zip tie to harness the sound of the turbo so you can hear it where Ford kind of dumps it down from the factory. So like I said, with just a few hand tools, we can get this knocked out in a few minutes and get that blow-off valve noise that everyone loves with their turbo motors. So as I mentioned, this install only requires basic hand tools. So today we need a set of pliers and a set of side cutters. That's it. All right, so now that we got our hand tools all situated, we're gonna start by looking at our air box here and then just going right over to the right here to this tube. This is your recirc tube. So you're going to follow it down here to the bottom, to this bottom port here, and we are gonna take our pliers and go ahead and get it removed. Get it on there, and then we're just gonna pull the tube. All right, there we go. And then we're just gonna go get another yank from the bottom. Should look like that. If you did not remove this, you did it wrong. We're gonna take our tube, or our cap rather, and our zip tie. We're gonna go ahead and get this started by doing a little lasso so it's easier to form its shape. We're gonna take our cap, put it here on the bottom port. I'm gonna take our zip tie that we just lassoed and go ahead and tighten it around the base of the cap. All right, then we're going to take our side cutters and just clean up everything by removing this. All right, there we go. All right guys, so we got the bypass valve delete installed on our Bronco, so let's take it for a rip, see how it sounds. Thanks for following along guys. That's gonna just about wrap it up for this video. If you like the $5 mod for the Bronco and you wanna pick one up yourselves, head on over to pandamotorworks.com. I'll have that link in the description for you so you can go ahead and purchase it if you're interested. But other than that, thanks for watching. If you wanna see more Bronco content, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and if you have any questions for us, drop a comment. Thanks, bye.